I think we need to do something with define. Let's see. This is going to challenge my ability to spell. So define is really interesting. We use it in search, right? Often you'll hear a word that you've never heard of and you just want it defined and get a sense. And Google does a really good job. Let's see how ChatGPT handles supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Oh, look at that. It does actually have the word. There we go. Done. So I've got the spelling. Fantastic. Wow. That's impressive, right? Here we go. I'm defining a word that is pretty much not a word. Blow my mind. I'm actually quite blown away by it. Okay, so define. Guys, that goes on forever. Really interesting prompt.